and welcome to the Rio Paint Stuff show.
That was quite an intro, Sace. Thanks for that. What is up, my fellow paint slayers? Rio coming at ya, Sace coming at ya. Some big announcements. August 4th, mark your calendar. We are going live on August 4th from noon until probably like 6 o'clock at night. Why, you ask? So long? Because we are celebrating our 1-year anniversary on YouTube and my birthday. So if you want to party with Rio, you better tune in for that. It's going to be epic. There's going to be cake. There's going to be balloons. There's going to be a couple of unicorns. There's going to be giveaways. There's going to be epic discounts on art. It's all fun and games. Lots of games. It's going to be fun. It's going to be fun. Q&A, whatever we end up doing. And so don't miss out on that. Don't be late to the party because you're going to miss out if you're late. Anyway.
Apologies for missing yesterday's video.
Apologies for missing yesterday's video. Yes.
We are like trying. We have some plans for you guys. We're in the process of remodeling the house, and we're trying to film stuff for you guys. So
sometimes it's too loud here to film because you can't hear us, and so we're doing the best we can, and you know, whatever. Okay, so
what are we doing today?
So here's the thing. I convinced Daddy to build me this big giant panel, okay, and I painted it with Naples Yellow Light.
She painted it with paint.
I painted it with paint. It's still got some ridges in it, so it's probably not gonna be the best, but it's kind of a test run because if he can build my panels and these cure out just fine, if we have to sand them a little bit more, that's totally okay. But we've got some big things up our sleeves. So we are going to attempt to launch a video every day up until the live event. And so we want to know in the comments below what you want to see us do, because we are taking suggestions. We have some plans. It's going to be fun. We're hoping that starting today and throughout until August 4th that you guys are just absolutely entertained on the recap from us being on here a year and everything else, blah, blah, blah. I'm not going to talk about mixing colors on this episode. We'll have another one this week. I've got a whole, or will we? I have a whole slew of paint here, kind of moving into the fall colors a little bit. And we're just gonna get started. This is gonna be interesting because this particular panel hangs over my table. And somebody asked me where I got my table. This table was initially a workbench for a garage that's been converted into a pour table. So thanks to Andy. So anyway, let's get started here.
Nice! Well done!
not get all did up like Rio did today. Because I had to jump back and forth between helping outside and...
We're doing the remodel, inside out. It's a hot mess. It's a train wreck. Okay, so that was 15 cups on a handmade wooden panel. So, for all practical purposes, that's pretty much as close to making mud as I've ever come. There's one wild card color in here that I will never use again on a pour, and it is this blue.
Yeah, she pours more of it onto the
pour
painting.
more of it on there.
I want to point out that corner looks fantastic.
I know. So this is not done. I have something serious up my sleeve. But you're going to have to wait for the 2-part series because we got to let this dry. And then
I think it looks amazing, Rio. Thanks for asking again.
Sace, for crying out loud. Okay, peeps. So
if you're gonna have me come back here, what's the point in having me come back here if I'm just gonna stand here?
The girls say they like looking at you, Sace. The girls say they like looking at your face. I don't know why, but they do.
That looks like...
I know, that's really cool, right?
That looks like...
Okay, there's a whole lot of things in this that I think are cool. And Chase isn't really... He'll pan that and this will be voiceover. And you'll pan what we're talking about.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, okay. So, this is like I said, this is a 2-part series on this one. This is a total experiment, 15 cups. I think I kind of like the way that doing the smaller cups together looks on the canvases, or on the panels. So, we're working our way up into a ginormous one. Just wait and see.
This corner.
I know, it's beautiful.
All this over here is gorgeous.
I know, it's just gorgeous. So, don't forget, we're going live to celebrate our 1-year anniversary and my birthday! August 4th. It's a Saturday. Oh, we're still dripping a little bit. This one I'm going to have to babysit because I don't really want it to run anymore. August 4th, 12 noon Central. We're going live. We're going to have giveaways. We're going to have cake. We're going to have antics. We're going to have shenanigans. We're going to have Q&A. And we'll paint. And it's going to be amazeballs. And if you've been waiting to buy a piece of art, that will be the day to do it. I am here to tell you people. So you better come prepared. The more folks we have online, the more giveaways we will do. So make sure you share and tell everybody about it. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. It helps us in the search engine. And leave comments. You can leave as many comments as you want. I love talking to you guys.
Tell me how your day was.
Tell me about your day. I love talking to you about the painting. I like answering your questions.
What's your favorite color?
It's been wonderful. Give us suggestions for the next several pours leading up to the monster big one. We have so much up our sleeve. I can't wait. If you haven't checked out Wanna Go Diving, that's our other channel. Go check it out and give it some love. It's a little bit slow because we were working on some things behind the scenes that are going to be phenomenal if it works out. So anyway, thanks for joining us in the studio. Until next time, ciao!